Well, in this morning's Wake Up Wellness, we're talking about parathyroid glands. How they operate is pretty amazing, but a local man learned the hard way. When they're not working, they can leave you feeling pretty lousy. Thankfully, once diagnosed, they're pretty easy to treat. Back on course, both Mark Messingham's calcium levels and his golf game. Great news for this very active 76-year-old who was feeling pretty out of sorts about 6 months ago.
I was beginning to get a little bit of early osteoporosis, which is silly because I not only exercise at the golf course, but I go to the gym a lot.
Right.
I was turning into a grumpy old man.
Thankfully, that grumpy guy decided to talk to his doctor about all the changes he was experiencing. And it turns out he was dealing with the effects of hyperparathyroidism. It can present with all sorts of unwanted symptoms, from fatigue and lack of concentration to aches and even kidney stones.
A lot of people know about their thyroid, and their thyroid, the thyroid lays right here in the neck. The parathyroid glands, on the other hand, are tiny little glands. The gland usually works like the thermostat at home. So when your calcium levels drop, these glands get activated,
regulating your body's calcium levels. Most adults should be in the 9.2 to 9.7 range. For patients dealing with hyperparathyroidism, one or more of the glands become overactive, creating a benign tumor and loss of calcium control, leading to higher levels.
The tumor is like the Hulk. It's angry all the time. It's releasing that hormone, and it loses the ability to control itself.
Surgery is the only treatment option, but nearly 100% are outpatient and over in just 30 minutes. Dr. Jose Lopez of TGH says during the procedure, he was able to assess each of Messingham's glands. Most adults have 4, and in this case, he removed 3.5 of them.
I was back on the golf course in 5 days when I wasn't supposed to. Now I'm napping an hour a day because I choose to.
What about the grumpy old man part? You don't seem very grumpy to me.
My wife is very pleased that that's improved.
Guy, happy wife, happy life, and he's feeling much better. Dr. Lopez says that he's back to normal. His records look clear. His calcium back to normal as well. A good window for the future there. So he's back on the golf course, back in the gym, back riding his motorcycle.
That couple's picture, they were smiling great big right there. I love it.
Wife is happy too.